Welcome to the UTILON Complete Utility Management Solution. In this walkthrough, we'll take you through the entire customer onboarding journey, from capturing a lead to setting up a property and initiating a utility service request. Let's get started. Before we begin, here's a quick look at the main dashboard. This is your central control panel where you can access all operations. The journey begins when a prospective customer fills out a lead form on the website. They provide their basic information with their name, address, mobile number, and more. This form can be on website or submitted via a help desk. Once the lead is submitted, our CRM system captures it instantly. We open the lead and track engagement by adding tasks, such as a follow-up call or site visit. We also log important notes to personalize the interaction. After qualification, we convert the lead into a customer. Here, we update the customer's address and other core details, which can be necessary for further transactions. You can also update their communication information, like SMS, email, or Do Not Disturb. Once this is done, we can save the customer profile. Now, if you see the status, it's awaiting documents. Now, we can head over to Documents and add documents for this customer. You can upload multiple documents by selecting the type of document and upload it while uploading the document. You can also choose whether you want the document to be available as private or public, so that any third-party verification can be done and given access to. And you can also add any type of review for a particular document. Once done, you can save the customer profile. Now we move on to property creation. From within the customer record, we create a new property. Define a name to the property, select the utility category and available status. Now move on to location details. Define the location as North Zone and assign the territory as Kukatpally house number, plot number, and lot size are entered. Next, we capture unit-specific details, such as unit number, unit type, unit size, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and the floor level. We can also review features and amenities, and if wanted, that also can be accommodated here. Now we can save this property. Once the property is in place, we can initiate a utility service request from the same customer profile. Then we choose the customer group and territory, link a predefined utility bill structure for new connection fee and security deposit. Then we can fill in the lease information and select the property which we had just created. Once that is done, we can save the record and submit the record permanently. Once the utility service request is submitted, the next step is to create a sales order for the security deposit and new connection fee. After creating the sales order, we submit it to finalize the order. From this sales order, we then generate a sales invoice, which is also submitted upon creation. Following this, we proceed to create a payment entry, payment voucher, against the sales invoice. Once the payment is recorded and submitted, the system reflects the transaction. Finally, returning to the utility service request record, its billing status will now be updated to fully billed. Now, we can create a contract directly from the same utility service request. A suitable contract template can be selected during this step. The contract can be digitally signed using our integrated e-sign system, or, if preferred, it can be signed manually. In the case of manual signing, there's a checkbox available to mark the contract as signed. Once the necessary details are filled in and the signing is complete, the contract record can be saved and submitted, after which the contract becomes active. Now, going back to the same utility service request, a site survey is created for field evaluation. This step helps ensure that the property is technically ready for utility connection and that accurate metering can be performed. Finally, we create a task for meter installation. This task is assigned to a technician, marking the last step in the onboarding process before utility services go live. When the task is created for meter installation, a button shows up for Create Warranty Claim, in which we can assign a meter serial number to the customer and fill in required details if necessary. Remaining information will automatically fill in based on the device selected, and that's how a customer is successfully onboarded into the UTILON, from lead to live connection. Thank you for watching. For more details or to schedule a demo, feel free to get in touch with us.